Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I've created this beautiful glamorous silver smoky eye look with nude lips. I'm just in love with this look. They look absolutely stunning. And that highlighter, oh my god. So make sure you stay tuned with me to see how to get this look. So first I'm prepping my face with my L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Moisturizer and moisturizing my face. And to prime my face, I'm using the Benefits Professional Primer and applying it in the place where I have more visible pores. And moving into foundation, I'm using my most favorite foundation, which is L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. I'm absolutely in love with this because they give full coverage, but at the same time, they're not matte. They create a look which doesn't look matte and which don't even look like they are completely dewy. So they have a very nice in-between skin-like look. So I'm really in love with that formula. Moving into my concealer, I know you guys are sick of listening this from my videos, but then again I'm still using the Elegant Pro Concealer to highlight my under eye areas, bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my chins, below my cheekbones, and also side of my mouth. Then I'm blending it all over nicely, make sure it looks very nice and highlighted on my skin. Now I'm contouring my face using the Bahama Mama bronzer. The contour looks slightly unblended, but it's okay, we'll handle it up when we are setting it with our powder. To set my face with powder, I'm using the Pixie Compact Powder. I'm just dabbing it on the area where I've used my concealer to highlight my face. This is just to set the concealers in place and prevent them from creasing. Then I'm spraying my face with my own DIY makeup setting spray. So if you have not watched the video, I'll link that in the description box below and also at the end of the video. So make sure you check them out on how to DIY your own makeup setting spray. So I'm using that here. And then I'm dabbing it all over my skin to prevent the powder products looks very powdery in my skin. And also to make my makeup last all day long. I really like to do this on my base because when I do this on my base, they look very nice and melted into my skin. And also my skin gets really hydrated. Moving into the eyes, I'm using the same concealer to prime my eyelids, and then I'm just blending it all over just using my fingers. Then I'm setting the eyes using the same compact powder that I used to set my face. And for the entire eye look, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession palette. Oh my god, I'm just in love with this palette. Can you see the colors? They are all wearable, they are all absolutely stunning, and I would definitely could create many different looks with these palettes. These palettes are very pigmented, so what I'm doing is I'm just dabbing slightly these two colors that I'm showing over here and blending it on my crease. Since I've mixed two color and I've blended on my crease, I don't have to use many shades as my transition shades. Then straight away I'm moving into the black shade and going over the outer eyelids. Then I'm just slightly starting to blend it over on my crease as well, so that they look very nice and blended with the shade that I've used on my crease before. Now I'm intensifying the black color and making it more sharp at the edges. The most important part, blend because we are using darker colors, so make sure you blend it very well, otherwise they are going to look very patchy on the skin. So to make the eye look more sharper, I'm using the concealer to cut it out at the outer corner and just blending it out with the beauty blender. And now the best part, I'm going over with the silver shade on my eyelids. So I'm moving from the inner eyelids to half of my eyelids to create a nice dimension to my eyes, so that the outer corner is filled with matte blacks, inner to half of my corners is filled with the silver shade. And then I'm using this shade over here just to blend everything out nicely so that it looks very nice and smooth. Then I'm using the same black shade and smoking out my waterline. Then I'm highlighting inner corners of my eyes using the Manizer Sister palette in the shade Merlot Manizer. And now going to my brows, I'm filling in with the Anastasia Deep Brow Pro Matte, making sure my eyebrows looks very nice and slick because this is a glamorous look. So just to clean up my brows, I'm using the same concealer and just cleaning it up slightly with my concealer. To line my eyes, I'm using the Maybelline gel eyeliner and just lining my eyes slightly, nothing very thick because I want the silver to show up more, so I'm not making my eyeliner very thick. I'm just going through in my waterline too by using whatever left in the brush. Then I'm moving into my falsies, and that is very hard to wear, I know, but then they're worth it. And the best part of this entire look is this highlighter. They are just on point. I'm just highlighting my cheekbones and my brow bones. For lipstick, I'm using Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Crush. And yes, they are very pale for me. And then I'm mixing shade Vixen from the same Huda Beauty lipstick. I'm still not satisfied with the color. Then I'm going in with the Sarah Rose lipstick in the shade 03. And that's it. This is the look that I wanted. They look absolutely stunning. I am really obsessed with this look. I really didn't thought it will turn out this good. And definitely I love the Huda Beauty Obsession palette so much. They just have to create from neutral to super glamorous looks like this. So if you guys really enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel as well. See you guys in my next video. Bye!